New research just confirmed what I see in my patients every single day. If you've had a baby in the last several years, this really applies to you. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Davis. I'm a board-certified physician who specializes in postpartum health. A 2025 paper in Frontiers in Allergy mapped out exactly how estrogen controls your mast cells. And when estrogen drops, like in the postpartum period, your mast cells will stop behaving. The research finally showed that there are estrogen receptors on your mast cells themselves. And when estrogen is in the right range, it helps regulate how often those cells fire. But when estrogen drops, that regulation goes offline. Your mast cells become hypersensitive. The threshold for your reactions drops, and things like your gut barrier get disrupted. Now, why can this be even worse after delivery? Because what took you 10 months to develop, that rise in estrogen that meets around 100 to 1,000-fold increase, drops by 90% in 48 hours after birth. You can reach menopausal levels of your estrogen if you are breastfeeding. And if your estrogen to progesterone ratio is also off, you're at higher risk for things like anxiety and depression, which we know are linked to mast cell diseases. And your progesterone also drops, which acts as that second brake for mast cell activation. So you lose both regulating factors at once. So if you are a few years postpartum and you're suddenly reacting to foods that you used to eat just fine, you're breaking out in hives, dealing with new seasonal allergies, or feel your gut isn't constantly inflamed, this is why. Our barrier function changes during pregnancy, and there's a mechanism behind it. And it's way too long to cover inside one of these reels, so I put together a free masterclass. If you want the full functional medicine picture of how pregnancy changed your body and how to repair it after birth, just comment masterclass below and I'll send it your way. And if you also happen to be one of my elder millennial sisters who's reaching perimenopause, comment PERI below because I designed one just for you. And if you like this content, don't forget to follow.